Bakit di na lumalaki ang muscle mo? Tanong ni Jay Hanma, upper chest ko po di na nag-grow. I'm doing dumbbell press, barbell press, slow reps, 8 to 12 reps. Bro, may i-reveal ako sa yung secret. Ito yung tinatawag nating relative strength, and konti lang sa fitness industry ang nagfo-focus dito. Pero ito talaga yung bumubuo ng big, strong, and full-looking muscles. So bibigyan kita ng very specific example. For example, 150 pounds ka. Ang goal mo is to press sa incline bench press yung body weight mo. So 150 pounds din yung weight mo for 5 to 8 reps. And I'm sure, pag nagawa mo tong feat of strength na to, hindi mo na problema yung chest mo. And syempre, another tip is eat enough calories and consume then enough protein. So sa protein naman, para hindi na complicated, eat around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So yon, for example, 150 pounds ka, that is around 150 grams of protein din ang kailangan mong kainin per day. Pag nagawa mo lahat ng ito and na-achieve mo na yung feat of strength na yan, I'm sure ang ganda na ng chest mo. And kung hindi, bibigyan kita ng one-on-one coaching with me. Ganun ako ka-confident. So yon, maraming salamat Jay Hanma. And thank you, ikaw na nanonood, for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Peace.